Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of group theory from set. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2 question number 53. Let Zn be the group of integers 0, 1, 2 till n minus 1 with addition module n as the group operation. The number of elements in the group Z2 cross Z3 cross Z4 that are their own inverse is dash. So here what is Zn? Zn is a group of integers starting from 0 till n minus 1. Now for Z2. In Z2 group, how many integers will be there? There will be 0 and 1. Only 2 integers. So when n equals to 2, it will be 0 and 1. Let's do addition module 2. Now 0 plus 0 it's 0, 0 plus 1 it's 1, 1 plus 0 it's 1, 1 plus 1 it's 2. 2 divide 2, remainder is 0. Now here you can see identity is 0, addition module 0 is 0, 1 addition module 1 is 0. So both 0 and 1 are self-inverse as we are getting result as 0. So there are two numbers which are self-inverse, both 0 and 1. Next we will check Z3. This group contains 0, 1, 2 till 3 minus 1, right? And we will do addition module of 3. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 divide 3, remainder is 0. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, it's 3. 3 divide 3, remainder is 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 divide 3, remainder is 1. Here what's the identity? Identity is 0. 0 inverse equals to 0. 1 inverse equals to 2. 1 addition module 2 equals to 0. 2 inverse equals to 1. So how many elements are self-inverse? Only 0. So there is just one element which is self-inverse of itself in case of Z3. Next check Z4. Z4 will contain 0, 1, 2, 3 till 4 minus 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 3, 3. We got 0 as the identity. Next 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divide 4, remainder is 0. Next 2 plus 0, it's 2, 2 divide 4, remainder will be same 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 divide 4, remainder is 0, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 divide 4, remainder is 1, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 divide 4, remainder is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 divide 4, remainder is 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 divide 4, remainder is 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 divide 4, remainder is 2. Now here identity equals to 0. What's 0 inverse? 0 inverse equals to 0. What's 1 inverse? 1 inverse equals to 3, 2 inverse equals to 2, 3 inverse equals to 1. 1 is 0, another is 2, which are self-inverse. So for Z4, there are two elements which are self-inverse, right? Now we found how many elements are self-inverse in Z2, Z3 and Z4. Now simply multiply, okay? 2 multiplied 1 multiplied 2, it's 4. Answer will be 4. I already discussed group theory. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.